Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device, and also will show you some of the ringtones. So first of all, open settings, then go to the sound and vibration section, phone ringtone, and here you have whole list of ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. I'll go with this one, just I like it the most. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.